Yahya Bello marries fourth wife amid 110 billion naira scandal, plus Akpabio defies court order to recall Natasha. Welcome to our head news. My name is Caro, and guess what? While millions of Nigerians are battling inflation, unemployment, and insecurity, some of our so-called leaders are busy throwing lavish weddings and ignoring court orders like it's just another day in the Federal Republic of Impunity. Former Kogi State Governor Yahya Bello, who is currently under investigation for allegedly looting 110 billion naira, just tied the knot with his fourth wife, Ikma, in a quiet but extravagant ceremony in Abuja. Yes, you heard that correctly. Wife number 3 in this economy. While Kogi bleeds and citizens cry for help, the man at the center of one of the biggest corruption scandals is out there expanding his household. His third wife, Afisa, even posted a sweet Instagram welcome message to the new bride. Our family just got a little bigger and more loving. Bello, who ruled Kogi State under APC from 2016 to 2023, is already married to Amina, Oyiza, Rashida, and Afiza. Now Ikma joins the fold, adding another chapter of his carefully guarded private life, even as allegations of massive financial misconduction loom over his head. And just when you think the drama ends there, we turn to the National Assembly, where Senate President Godswill Akpabio is playing his own version of ignore the law. Let's talk about Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, who has been illegally suspended from the Senate for 6 months. But on July 4th, the federal court in Abuja ruled her suspension unlawful and ordered her reinstatement. You would think the matter ends there, right? Not in Nigeria. Instead of following the court's directive, Senate President Akpabio filed an appeal challenging the judgments. Yes, it's fighting a court's order instead of obeying it. Akpabio's legal team claims that the judiciary has no say in Senate affairs, citing constitutional protection over legislative processes. They insist the suspension and all related actions fall under the internal matters of the National Assembly and cannot be interfered with by the court. But let's not forget, Natasha was suspended for challenging the Senate President on a sexual harassment issue.
The President of the Nigerian Senate, His Excellency Senator Godswill Akpabio, for sexual harassment, abuse of office, and malicious obstruction of my legislative functions.
I have the highest regards for women. I also wish to state that I also have 4 beautiful daughters. So at no time will I ever harass any woman.
She later wrote a satirical apology mocking the idea of being forced to apologize for speaking out. The court bizarrely fined her 5 million naira for contempt over the letter. Yet, in the same ruling, the judge declared her suspension illegal and ordered her immediate recall. Unfortunately, most Nigerian media outlets only report the contempt charge, completely ignoring the fact that she actually won her reinstatement case. This selective reporting led many to falsely believe she had been found guilty of lying, which is simply not the truth. Instead of reinstating her, Akpabio retaliated again, this time by removing her from her newly assigned role as chairperson of the Senate Committee on Diaspora and NGOs, replacing her with Senator Anand Basi. Let that sink in. The court says reinstate her, the Senate says remove her from all positions instead. Before the suspension, Natasha chaired the local content committee. Akpabio reassigned her to diaspora just before the harassment case went public, and now he's removed her altogether. Tell me, is this governance or gangsterism? Many Nigerians, even those previously criticized Natasha, are now asking, why is the Senate so afraid of reinstating her? Why has her sexual harassment case not yet been heard in court? Despite all the attacks, Senator Natasha remains focused on her people. Just last week, she distributed 700 iPads to students in a secondary school and launched 2 market projects in Kogi. She's serving while they are stalling, and she's not just getting started, she is moving. This whole situation raises a serious question. Why do we continue electing leaders who believe the law does not apply to them? While the courts speak, the politicians laugh. While the people suffer, they marry more wives. So what do you think? Is it justice when a woman fighting for her rights is punished, while a man facing corruption charges throw a wedding party? Is this how democracy is supposed to work? Let us know your thoughts in the comment below, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ahead News 23 for more fearless reporting. Until next time, stay informed, stay woke.